In modern warfare, victory is no longer decided by sheer numbers, not by the size of an army, nor by the roar of fighter jets alone. Today, wars can be shaped from thousands of kilometers away, with precision, with patience, and with devastating accuracy. This is not just a weapon, it is a message that says no target is out of reach. This is the Tomahawk cruise missile. The story of the Tomahawk begins during the height of the Cold War, a time when the world stood on edge, when power was measured not just in armies, but in technological superiority. The United States needed a weapon that could strike deep into enemy territory without risking pilots, without warning, and with surgical precision. Enter the Tomahawk. Developed by General Dynamics and later refined by Raytheon, this missile would redefine long-range warfare. By the 1980s, it was ready, and the world would soon witness its power. At first glance, the Tomahawk may not look intimidating. No massive wings, no supersonic roar, but its true strength lies in something far more dangerous: intelligence. Top quality number 1, extreme precision. The Tomahawk doesn't just hit targets, it chooses them. Using advanced guidance systems like GPS navigation, terrain contour matching, and digital scene matching area correlation, it can strike within meters of its target. Even in heavily defended environments, even in total darkness, it finds its mark. Top quality number 2, intercontinental reach. The Tomahawk can travel over 1,600 kilometers. That means a ship positioned far out at sea can strike deep inland without ever being seen. This is power projection at its finest. It allows forces to strike first, strike silently, strike safely, all without crossing enemy borders. Top quality number 3, low-altitude flight. Unlike ballistic missiles, the Tomahawk flies low, very low, just meters above the ground. Why? To avoid radar detection. By hugging terrain, mountains, valleys, and even urban landscapes, it becomes incredibly difficult to detect. This is stealth without invisibility. Top quality number 4, surgical accuracy. In modern warfare, collateral damage matters. The Tomahawk is designed to eliminate targets while minimizing unintended destruction. Its warhead can be tailored for hardened bunkers, infrastructure targets, command centers. Every strike is calculated, every impact deliberate. Top quality number 5, multi-platform deployment. The Tomahawk can be launched from surface warships or submarines, including vessels like the Arleigh Burke-class destroyer and Virginia-class submarine. This flexibility makes it unpredictable. The enemy never knows where the strike will come from, above the surface or from the silent depths below. Top quality number 6, battle-tested reliability. The Tomahawk is not just theory, it is proven. It has been used in Gulf War, Iraq War, Syrian Civil War. Time and time again, it has demonstrated unmatched reliability. When commanders need certainty, they choose the Tomahawk. The Tomahawk is not standing still. Newer variants include real-time target updates, in-flight retargeting, and enhanced communication systems. It can now change course mid-flight, abort missions, and adapt to dynamic battlefields. This is no longer just a missile, it is a thinking weapon. In a world where wars are becoming faster, smarter, and more unpredictable, the Tomahawk remains one of the most trusted tools of modern military power. It does not rely on speed alone or brute force. Its strength lies in precision, in intelligence, in certainty. Because in modern warfare, the most powerful weapon is the one that never misses. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern military technology, subscribe to Armory Unveiled, because the future of warfare is already here.